Hello, seventh grade. It is week 15. This week we're going to divide up our subjects over three different main subjects. The first will be convergent plate boundaries, followed by continental margins and the supercontinent. So we're going to jump right in. Our learning target will be able to explain ocean-continent convergence. Ocean-continent convergence. So as this picture shows, you can see where oceanic lithosphere subducts. At a convergent plate boundary, when one plate is oceanic, there are large volcanoes. And if you look closely, you can see these mountains are actually volcanoes. These volcanoes are found in lines that outline the subduction zone. Earthquakes also happen in these zones. The Aleutian Islands that borders southern Alaska are an island arc. In this winter image from space, the volcanoes are covered with snow. A convergent plate boundary forms when two plates collide. That collision can happen between a continent and oceanic crust, between two oceanic plates, or between two continents. Oceanic crust is always destroyed in these collisions. Oceanic crust may collide with a continent. The oceanic plate is denser, so it undergoes subduction. In other words, it goes underneath the lighter continental plate. This means that the oceanic plate sinks beneath the continent. This occurs at an ocean trench. Subduction zones are where subduction takes place. Now, as you would expect, where plates collide, there are lots of intense earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. The subducting oceanic plate melts as it re-enters the mantle. The magma rises and erupts. This creates a volcanic mountain range near the coast of the continent. This range is called a continental arc. We have examples of continental arcs all along Washington, Oregon, and California. The Andes Mountains along the western edge of South America are another volcanic arch. Two ocean plates may collide. In this case, the older plate is denser. This plate will then subduct beneath the younger plate. As the subducting plate is pushed deeper into the mantle, it melts. The magma this creates rises and erupts. This forms a line of volcanoes known as an island arc. So here we see where the oceanic plate is dropping beneath another oceanic plate and an island arc is being formed. Japan, Indonesia, the Philippine Islands, and the Aleutian Islands of Alaska are examples of island arcs. Here we have Japan on the far left, the Philippines on top, the Philippines, bottom center, Indonesia on top, and the Aleutian Islands of Alaska on the right. So to summarize, when two plates come together towards each other, they create a convergent plate boundary. If at least one plate is oceanic, there will be subduction. Subduction of a plate leads to melting and volcanism. An island arc is a line of volcanoes on an oceanic plate. A continental arc is a line of volcanoes on a continental plate. So, are you able to explain ocean-continent convergence? If so, we have a few questions for you to answer. But if you need to, feel free and go back and view the video before answering those questions. Have a great day. We'll talk to you later.